Do you speak English but stop after 2 sentences? Today, I'll help you speak longer, smoother, and confidently using daily life English. Let's upgrade your daily conversation. In this video, you'll learn how to upgrade your daily English conversations. Simple words to smart, natural English. Watch till the end and repeat loudly with me. Simple English common mistake. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Upgraded English natural. I usually wake up around 7 in the morning. After that, I have a light breakfast and then I head to work. Repeat with me. I usually wake up around 7 in the morning. After that, I have breakfast. Then, I go to work. Speaking formula. Time plus action like connector. Example. In the evening, I usually relax, and sometimes I watch YouTube videos. Let's watch a daily life conversation video clip.
How was your day, Raheem?
It was quite busy, actually. I had a lot of work to finish, but overall it was productive.
That sounds good. What are you doing now?
Right now, I'm trying to improve my English speaking so that I can communicate confidently. Power vocabulary. Confidently, actually, usually, overall, trying to. Short practice. Overall, my day was good. I'm trying to improve my English. Your task. Speak for 30 seconds about your daily routine using usually. After that, overall. If you practice this daily, your English will improve faster than you think. See you in video 2, where we'll learn how to speak longer sentences naturally. Please subscribe our channel.